All right, party people. I know why you're here and you know why I'm here, okay? We're here to talk about the 3 best online stores for Funko Pop collecting, right? I know a lot of you guys are new and a lot of you guys are trying to figure out how you can get your favorite Funko Pops. Where am I gonna get them? Well, I have all the answers for you, all right? But first, before we get into it, make sure you do all the things that the cool people are doing, like liking this video and subscribing. Maybe put a cool comment in the bottom. So today's an important day for you and me, all right? Let's get into it. My #1 place to get Funko Pops is PopinBox. You wanna know why? Do you really wanna know why? I'll tell you why. PopinBox has a lot of new Funko Pops that are coming out that you can pre-order. So it's generally very easy for you to find the newer Funko Pops that are coming out that are really cool, because they're gonna have most of them. They have such a big variety of Funko Pops that you can choose from. It's insane. And also, I have in my link tree, I have a link to the online store PopinBox. And if you use my referral link, you get a discount on your order. So make sure you click it. Just go on my link tree, go all the way down to where it says PopinBox and click that. All right, next up, we got Amazon. Amazon is a great place to find Pops. Tell you what, it's fantastic. They got a huge variety of Funko Pops to choose from, and most of them are fairly cheap. You can find a lot of Funko Pops on there for like $10 and under. If I'm going out Funko Pop hunting, what I will do is if I see a pop that I'm not too sure about, like what the price is, I just go on the Amazon store and see if they have it for cheaper. And I found a few Funko Pops that I went out Funko Pop when I was Funko Pop hunting, when I was out doing all that fun stuff. I would check it on Amazon, and it was actually cheaper on Amazon. And then I got it. For me personally, most of the time these Pops come in great condition. I have had one time where it didn't come in good condition. The box was just smashed. It was not pretty, I didn't like it. It was my Frozone, which some of you guys, if you've been on my TikTok for a long time, know that I had a little problem with that. But Amazon is great with returns with most Funko Pops. So what I did was I just filed a thing on it saying that it was broken, and they gave me my money back and I didn't have to send it back. So basically I got a free out of the box pop. But then later that day my dog chewed it up, so yeah. Anyways, now my 3rd place to find Funko Pops is the Funko Pop store. Duh. Now the reason why I put it in #3 is because they yes, they have Funko Pops. They're gonna be retail price for the most part. The only problem is that's where a lot of Funko Pop collectors go. So when there's a new pop that's out on the Funko Pop store, they'll be gone within like 2 seconds. So if there's a new Funko Pop that you're looking at and it just came out on the Funko Pop store, good luck getting it, because it's gonna be sold out within 2 seconds. I've gotten notification saying that that a certain Funko Pop went online, okay? And I think that was with Carnage, Venomized Carnage, or the Blacklight series Carnage. I think that's what it was. It was the Blacklight series Carnage. I went on the Funko Pop store, literally a second, like right when I got that notification, pressed that little button on my phone, went to the Funko Pop store, ordered it, and because I'm not an a-hole, I only ordered one. But there's a lot of people out, there's a lot of these dumb resellers out there that will buy a whole bunch of them, and then us collectors can't get them. And then the only way we can ever get these now is if we spend an arm and a leg to get it. So that's why it's number 3 on my list. With new Funko Pops, super hard to get. Doesn't have a ton of variety on there, but I mean, it's the Funko store. They take very good care of shipping their Pops. if you buy it online. Some of them have little goodies in there too, like there's deals every once in a while that go on the Funko Pop store, so it doesn't hurt to check up on it. But yeah, that is my top 3 websites for Funko Pops. So if you're just getting into Funko Pops, check all of them out. All right, like I said, with PopinBox, I have a referral link in my link tree. Just go down to where it says PopinBox referral. I think that's what I put it as. Click on it, you get a discount. It's great, it's good stuff, and it helps the channel out and everything. Helps me buy more Funko Pops so I can show them off for you guys. Yeah, let me know what you want to see next in the comments. Love you guys.